Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you step by step how to get streak on TikTok. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open your TikTok account and click on right bottom your profile icon. After that, here you have to click on top right 3 lines. After clicking on the 3 lines, click on Settings and Privacy here. After that, you have to scroll down here and click on the Notifications. When you click on the notifications, here you have to give your TikTok access to your notifications. Now you have to enable TikTok notifications from your mobile phone. For this, click on top push notifications, and from here enable this icon. After that, scroll down and you can see here streak. If streak option is disabled, then you have to enable it. So here I have it already enabled, so I don't need to enable it again. In this way you can get streaks on TikTok. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.